Right now, I am going to teach you a technique that will totally upgrade your online meetings, online summits, online presentations, webinars. It's simply this. You tell me which one is most effective. You see me looking at you right now. Why am I looking at you? Because I'm looking at the camera. Tell me which one is most effective. This is a very good technique that will help you. This is a very good technique that will help you. Thank you for coming. I really appreciate it. Thank you for coming. I really appreciate it. Now you can see the difference. The problem is with the technology we have now, it's actually hurting the power of your communication and diminishing it. We go to online meetings, we have all of these cameras and these faces, on our screen. And the problem is we want to look at them. We want to look at people because we've been trained to make eye contact and look at faces when we are talking face to face. But now, in fact, when we're doing that, we're not making eye contact with them at all. You want to look at the camera when you're talking to people in a meeting or a presentation online. And that's how you transfer the power of face-to-face communication through an online meeting. And nobody is really teaching this. I've seen so many people waste that power by reading their notes on the screen when they could be looking at the camera. Now, having notes is professional, of course it is. And there is a technique which I can teach you, for being able to still have notes, check your notes, and make eye contact 100% when you're speaking to people. Hey, if you'd like to find out more about that, just you can hit the link underneath the video here, or you can, let's see, I think I've got there we are. Here's a QR code. If that's easier for you, you can scan that right away. Hey, thank you very much and hope to see you next time.